already started to take the bolts off from the transmission. There's 3 different bolts size. One is a E14, which are 1, 2, 3, and 4 over here. Then the E10s, and then there's 2 other bolts that holds the oil pan to the transmission. I'll actually put the actual size and a picture of the bolt size in the video, just for reference. So you guys just saw me pull my transmission out. Here's the pressure plate. A lot of random burn marks. Look at that. Honestly, I know what I'm looking at, but I'm not sure if that's like bad or good. I don't know. So this is all gonna get changed out. It's all dirty in there, gotta clean that. Get some stuff for it. Pilot bearing, throw bearing, all that stuff. But yeah, see you guys on the next one. Yeah, you guys just saw me take some stuff apart off the new motor. AC compressor came out because I'm not running it. The bracket's still on there because I have to take off the crank bolt and the crank pulley to get the 2 bolts off. But yeah, took out the thermostat housing and thermostat. Water pump came out. Just prepping it right now. These headers are going to be, yeah, I'm going to take these headers off after I wash this whole motor. And reusing the headers, I gotta cap these off. I believe it's for the secondary air pump, and it looks like we're missing some studs here. But the old motor has newer studs that I'll be transferring over. Check this out. Plastic thermostat, or plastic water pump. This is kind of sucks though. You got a bunch of missing ribs, I guess. Bunch of missing ribs on the water pump pulley here. Definitely someone changed out the thermostat, but I got a new one. We can use this housing, clean it up a little bit. So it was missing coil packs, but I put some spare coil packs on there, and I shove a bunch of some of these plastic into the hole so it doesn't get water in there. I'm not trying to spray on top, but you never know. Water can get in there, even though I'm taking the head apart. But you know, trying to reduce the water to get in the motor. Yeah, I'm just getting a video of how crusty this motor is. Pretty much a before video. But yeah, check this out. One of the local drift guy built one of these 3D printed intake covers. He goes by Bubba Built, also known as Sam. He drives a Turbo E30. I'll post a link to his Instagram. Definitely get some of that if you guys need some. It's pretty neat. Boom. Fits like that. Let's take this out for right now. But yeah, using some of these bubble wrapping that I got from FCP Euro. There's a big box right here. I got a lot of goodies for the rebuild of this engine. So that's a little sneak peek there. Just shove some bubble wrap in there. Like I said, guys, I just don't want to get a lot of water. Oops, sorry. I do not want to get a lot of water into this engine. Even though I am taking the head apart, but better safe than sorry. That's a great fit, guys. I also have exhaust. Where did I put that? He also makes exhaust covers, as you can see when you have your headers off. And this is for the head, for the block. I'm not 100% sure what this is. I actually ordered the intake side and exhaust side, and we found out we live like really close to each other, and he stopped by and gave me some extra stuff, which is very, very nice of him. But yeah, this is for the block. Once your head comes off, this is for the block. You guys will see in a later video when I put this on. I needed these because once I get this motor going, that motor is going to get a full rebuild. So stay tuned with that. But yeah, definitely check out Bubba Built. Thank you, Sam. Well, guys, I finally found time to crack open this head. I'm gonna dismantle everything and then send it to the machine shop. Get it smoothed out, put a new head gasket on, and put it back together. I'm honestly gonna just put you guys on time lapse. I've actually never done this before, so it's gonna be a lot of researching. And I mean, I did a lot of research, but you know, I'm gonna have to go back and watch some videos and read some articles while I take this apart. But let's get started. Well, to take the rest of the vandals off, and this thing is really, really sludgy. Yeah, I did spray a little brake cleaner on there. I'm trying to clean some stuff off here. Yeah, it was cake. These gears were all cake. It's all dry now. I'm gonna go ahead and mark it. Mark the tension, or mark the chain to the gears. And then take that off, and yeah. Honestly, guys, I hate the smell of brake clean. I'm gonna burn this incense real quick. Get them vibes going. Yeah. Let's go. Alright, guys, this is it. Got the last bolt and washer off. Hit it with the mallet a couple times. Now it's time to lift it up. There you go. It's off.